What's up, everyone? If you're looking for some fantastic Labor Day deals on car detailing items, then you're in luck. I just wanted to briefly touch on some of the deals that are going on right now. Chemical Guys and Adams both have 25% off. It looks like site-wide across the board, all their products. I know with Adams, like their deionized kits that are made from another company and that they private label through them, those are not on sale. So there will be some limitations on exactly what's fully 25% off. But it's going to be very, very small. The majority of everything on their site is going to be 25% off. Let's talk Max Shine. Max Shine has a couple of deals. They have some bucket kits at around 24% off. I think this kind of fluctuates depending on which bucket you go with. And then they have up to 60% off of some microfiber towel packs, which are fantastic. That's all I really saw on their site. Obviously, if you want, you can use my code IMJOSHV15. That'll get you 15% off of everything else. And that brings us into detailing.com and Meguiar's.com, also both offering 15% off across the board there. And guys, as an added benefit, as an added little bonus, I'm going to put a sale on my personal site, detailersupply.com. I'll have everything linked in the description for you guys. We're going to be having, I'm just going to match detailing.com and Meguiar's, and we're going to do 15% off site-wide. Site-wide? Yeah, site-wide. Let's do it. Whatever, right? Starting as soon as this video is live, running till the end of Labor Day, so the end of Monday. So that's it, guys. I hope that helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. We'll see you guys.